Welcome to a Disney Day vlog during Christmas time. I decided to do a nighttime Disney day, and I'm here literally for like the parade and the fireworks and just everything Christmas before I leave for a trip for 2 weeks. So it's not gonna be like my traditional Disney vlogs, but I hope you guys enjoy the Christmas vibes. The parade is literally starting not that long from now, and people are already starting to like sit down and like find their spots, but it's just so pretty with all the lights. I found my place on the curb, and I think it's a great place to watch the parade because you can see the tree and all the lights, and then to the other side there's even more lights. So whichever direction it's coming from, it is going to be gorgeous. I snuck away before the parade. I'm gonna get this, and I'm also going to get a hot chocolate because it's kind of cold. But oh my goodness, this line has been taking forever. But look at my Christmas socks and my lights.
Hello, can I get the biggest hot chocolate you have?
Maybe hot chocolate? Whipped cream, okay?
Yes, please.
That was the longest wait of my whole entire life, but the hot chocolate is secured, and I did get the cute cup. It was like $30, no regrets. I almost didn't buy it though, like I almost straight up stole it from there because it was underneath my arm, and he didn't ask about it, and I forgot for a moment, so. But I was like, no, I'm not gonna steal. I do not want to be today at Disneyland. Wait, where? Yes, the hot chocolate is good. Actually, the hot chocolate tastes kind of funny. It tastes different than normal.
Fantasy Parade. Come share the joy of this holiday celebration with us. A Christmas Fantasy Parade begins in just 15 minutes.
Stand on up to see this wonderful parade. Thank you, friends.
And luckily I am in the front row because in no way, shape, or form do I want to stand for the rest of this. I would much rather be seating and just watch it from here. They officially roped us off over here, so it should be starting soon.
Happy holidays, everyone. It's time to share the magic of the merriest season of all as Disneyland proudly presents A Christmas Fantasy.
You having a good time? Wonderful. Merry Christmas. Reindeer gather round. On Dasher, on Dancer, and Dancer. Comet, Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen. Reindeer lead the way. Hello, everybody. It's so wonderful to be back for the holidays. It's my favorite time of the year. The elves have been very busy filling all of your toys. I'll be back on Christmas Eve with a sleigh full of toys for all your good kids out there. You've been well behaved. Keep up the good work. Be kind to one another. My peace and love. Oh yeah. Yes, hello. Hello everybody. Santa loves you all very much. Happy birthday. Yes. Hello. Good to see you again.
It is so crowded, like I said, after the parade. The parade was amazing. I definitely filmed so much of it for you guys, and I'll probably watch more of it and not film any of it next time I'm here. But today was kind of a filming day before I left for my trip, so I figured I would get every single little bit for you. And I also got a return time for Small World, so I'm heading over there now. It's actually a pretty quick return time. I think he said it's like 7:30 or something, and it's 7:14 now. So it's a pretty quick return time, and that'll give me plenty of time to go over to Small World and then come back over here and get ready for fireworks.
She's just ready like a dad, not why.
I honestly forgot how pretty the Small World is during Christmas time. Like, I don't even bother riding it the rest of the year, but it is so pretty. I am so glad I came over here before fireworks started, and it's so pretty because you can see all the boats going into the Small World, and I know it's gonna be all holiday decorated in there too, but either way, I'm just a sucker for lights. Like, I love Christmas lights, and I feel like Disney World is like, Disney World and Disneyland are like the best place for lights.
For safety, please remain seated throughout your voyage, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. And please watch your chair. It's a world of laughter, a world of tears. It's a world of hope and a world of kids. There's so much that we share that it's time we're aware. It's a small world after all. It's a world of laughter, a world of tears. It's a world of hope and a world of kids. There's so
I am in the giant crowd of people right now waiting for the fireworks. The castle's really pretty, and I'm just sitting down kind of bored out of my mind, but I'm playing on my phone, and it should be happening soon. I've actually never watched it this close. I usually watch it a little bit further away, but I figured I'd watch it a little bit closer and see the pretty lights on the castle.
Does your heart hold the magic of the holidays? Is it filled with warm memories just waiting to be discovered again?
Yes.
Now is the time to open your heart, believe in that magic, and remember those treasured moments. They're still there, deep within you, waiting to touch you once more. So come along as the magic of the season leads the way.
Can you remember how Christmas makes you feel? That special magic in the air, and all your dreams are real. Can you remember the smell of gingerbread?
Cherish the holidays forever and always believe.
And that is the end of the fireworks show. It was beautiful. I will definitely catch it next time I am here because I'm going to go a few times in December too. But I'm heading out for today because today was just a quick Disney day, not a long one.